Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can fix the Instagram feeds couldn't refresh. To solve this problem you have to go to settings of your mobile and go to connections. In connections you can easily find Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and data network. If you are using Wi-Fi, then check if your Wi-Fi is turned on or not. If it turned on off, then turn it on and again check the Instagram feeds. If the problems occurs again, then check your Wi-Fi device whom you are connected. If the problems repeats again, then you can also check your mobile network. If you are using mobile networks, you can check if they are working properly or not, which means you have connected 3G or 4G networks on your mobile if you are using mobile networks operators. Moreover, you can also change the access point settings which is available in mobile networks. Below the mobile networks settings, as you can see in the video, there are access point names. You have to click on access point names and check whether they are connected or not. If they are connected, then the problem is not there. If you want to again check where is the problem, try to restart your data connection. For example, turn off your data connection and again turn it on so that the problems can be solved. All these settings after you have checked, then you have to again go to the Instagram and check whether the feeds are refreshing or not. If the problem has been solved, then this was the problem. If the problems repeats again, then you can update your Instagram and can also uninstall it and install it again so that your problem of refreshing feed can be solved. Hope you have liked this information regarding this fix. If you are new to this channel, kindly share this video, like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos regarding content. Thank you.